Telegram forward not allowed problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So with identity, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Telegram. Now just make sure that you have the latest version of the Telegram application. As you can see on the screen, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Telegram application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the Telegram application over here. Then tap on App Info and it will lead us to a new page where you will be able to see the option of Clear Data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on Clear Data and then Clear Cache. As you tap on OK, go to the app permissions option and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options so that you do not have any hindrances while using the application. Now go back and try to forward different messages or make necessary forwards on Telegram and your issue might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.